father, a boss, a role model I've followed throughout my political life. We had constant relationships. And on that day, I spoke with him around 9 o'clock, and he assured me that in an hour's time he will be with us. That was the last time I spoke with him. He came here just to encourage the whole of people of Ghana, and especially we in the region. We know we have lost a man, a gem, a role model, somebody who has left a mark for us. His humility, his commitment, his dedication towards me will be a comfort for us. That we don't know.